Science and Marginality, and today I'm going to be entering another art competition, this time by X Sweet Kittenette. You've got to draw one of their characters in your style. They've created a kind of community of different characters. They're all normal people, but they turn into different magical creatures or something, like a witch. And then also some of them have pets. So you could draw them in either form, or maybe both, with their pet. And that's what I've decided to do. I've decided to do Mary, and she turns into a witch. She has a purple and black cat called Obsidian as well. Colouring pencils. They're Faber-Castell and they're meant to be super soft and really good quality. So I'm going to be trying these out on my picture. So let's test them out. Because they're just soft and easy to colour with, and I like how they have a big variation of the brightness or the saturation. I'm looking forward to using these and create this book and in other drawings. I think the drawing turned out to be quite good, but if I had more time I would like to have drawn it a bit better because it was just a bit rushed at the end. And especially dark colours like black, where I had to keep going over it, it's not so good. Although I really like how Obsidian looks and the colours are really bright because of the colouring pencils. Please subscribe if you enjoyed the video and you want to see more like it. And I'll see you next time. Bye!